Create a button panel using the macro button panel construction. Start the macro and select your center front element close to the neckline. The center front must consist of a single element. Once selected, an editor appears. First, you need to determine the width of your button panel. Keep in mind that this value is the total width of the panel and not measured from the center front to the front edge. Different widths for the underlap and overlap can be set. In the next step, you can select variants for the construction. Decide between men's and women's wear and pick the button panel style. Check the picture at the bottom of the editor window for details. Some options allow for additional inputs. The button position and buttonhole length will be marked on the new pieces. Set the parameters to your liking. You can either calculate the button distance depending on the length of the piece by using the distance from hem, or set a linear distance for all sizes using button to button. Confirm with OK to start the process. 2 new pieces will be created, one for the overlap and one for the underlap of the button panel. Your original piece remains within the working area. The button and buttonhole positions are graded. If a 3D 2D Connect license is available, the button positions and buttonholes will receive the corresponding Connect label for easier simulation in Style 3D Studio.